everyone, as you can see, it's Christmas time and we're going to be watching some candy canes being made. We're here in Anna Marie Island in Florida, which is not too far from Siesta Key in Sarasota and right near Bradenton. And we're at the Fudge Factory. So stay tuned for some cool times making some candy canes. So we're here with Duffy and Evie. We're waiting anxiously for this candy cane making. Where are you guys from, Duffy and Evie?
Cincinnati, Ohio.
Wow, that's a great place, Cincinnati. I've been to Cincinnati. I even tried Skyline Chili.
Oh, my favorite.
Oh, I love it too. And even though I'm a Mets fan, I was rooting for the Reds when I saw them at Great American Ballpark.
Yeah.
So we're here for the candy cane making. Look, they're all dressed up. Do you guys have a special wish for Santa? Maybe Santa's gonna watch the video too.
My wish is just to have a stuffed animal puppy.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
My wish is to have a camera and a
Mickey dollhouse.
A new Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that sounds great. That sounds like a good wish.
I lost my other one.
Okay, well, Mickey lives in Florida, so I'm sure he'll hear your wish. So, right? Hi, everybody. All right, so we got a big line here, and we're anxious. Everyone's anxious watching for these candy canes to be made. So we're seeing what's going to go on here.
Getting the table ready. Very cool.
Wow, they're getting that all set.
He was taking a picture of us.
Yeah, it's a video. I'll give you the card. You can see the video. You can see the video when I upload it later on or tomorrow morning. You'll be famous.
Yeah. That'd be funny. That'd be fun to see yourself.
Yeah.
Very cool. Oh, he's putting on his gloves.
He's getting serious now.
Yeah.
He knows Santa's watching, I think.
Right.
Right? See, we're here with our friends from Cincinnati. We're really normally from Brooklyn, but we live in Sarasota now. But
Why do you live in Sarasota?
I use that to close the window.
I like their costumes.
I know. You like them too, don't you, Amy?
Yeah.
Wow. So we're here with Carrie too. We're in the. I'll show you a little bit of the town too. Right here, Anna Marie Island, beautiful way it's decorated. And yeah, hello.
Oh, Baba just saw the big thing of
What are we doing here?
Saw the sugar.
They're waiting for the sugar to warm up. I think that's what's going on.
Look.
Wow, look at this.
There it is. Oops, sorry, didn't know where you were.
There's the hot sugar water.
Sorry.
It's really hot.
Wow, look at it boiling. Whoa.
What's hot sugar?
That is
hot sugar.
Wow.
Wow.
It's like a cauldron.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
If you eat it, you turn into a candy cane.
All right, I'm in.
I think a lot of people would take that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, wait.
I'm impressed it's still on the table.
No.
Yeah, it didn't burn its way through. I got all the scissors and the sugar going. Look at all this. Eager anticipation here.
Look how calm they are. I'd be like very nervous. That's gonna make a mess of
He's
the
putting
floor.
peppermint in there now.
Flavoring.
Oh, peppermint flavor.
Oh.
He's making them.
Look at this.
Sprinkle it all over.
Look at it steaming.
Wow.
Wow.
So hot.
Yeah.
He had to move away.
Either that or that's hot spice.
Look at that.
That's a hot peppermint. Yes.
You can't get any fresher than this.
Ow.
Give you $1 to put your tongue in there.
Ooh.
No.
No way.
You're on no.
Right.
Hold out for more.
Yeah, the marble made it.
I already told you.
That's all right. In a minute.
I didn't catch where it came from. Right, but yeah.
And I wonder what that's for. What do they do with that?
Yeah, it looks like a heating table.
Oh, look.
Wow, it's getting like,
Look at that. Look.
it's like that apricot candy.
Folded cellophane.
Or cellophane, yeah.
I gotta fold it all up. Look. Ooh.
Wow.
Look buddy. What's up?
Sweet.
Hi. I get it. A good joke.
Wow. I hope they give us a free sample.
He did. He was like this. Yeah.
Look at that crowd, anxious crowd.
So you're an adult. Move.
Oh yeah. What is it, buddy? Oh, the wall. It's.
Yeah, we use
I like the sparkly wall.
sparkling
Wow.
wall. Pretty cool.
What is
Yes.
this book?
Okay.
This. It's got sparkles in it.
Oh, look at the bubbles. Forming when
Bubbles.
he does that.
That's a dentist's dream right there on that table. That's like a Mercedes Benz on that table.
What are you doing?
David Cincinnati, Ohio.
Yeah.
Wow.
I feel like Willy Wonka should jump out any minute now.
Who's Willy Wonka?
The candy maker.
Chocolate Factory. You've seen it.
We have done you wrong. No, I don't think so. Big stuff would be a little scary.
Yeah, that's quite cool.
You would like it though. Alright, we're watching.
I think it's a little too late to watch that movie.
This is actually a really nice store. It's the chocolate, the Fudge Factory, but they've got everything here, like gummy bears, chocolate, ice cream. It's a chain here in Florida. It's definitely one of Kerry's favorites.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Wow, that can still be hot.
I know.
It's gonna be hot.
hot for a while.
It's getting more pliable. Look at that.
I understand the drink.
You guys went 40 beer over at that place
Get
inside?
knocked off on the table.
Push
You
it
got
around.
oil on the table there.
I don't know, man, but you know what? We have a beer.
So that's heavy.
Can you guys
Does that
go
work?
get
I mean, what do you
ice
wanna do?
cream? Can you guys go get ice cream? I'm gonna have chocolate with Hello.
Wow, I can smell it now. I smell the peppermint.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I never walked up.
I know, I thought I did too.
And they have like the food dye right here. Color them. They're going to be green and red. Here we go.
Oh, they're gonna put some colors
Oh,
in.
they're dividing it up. Oh, she gets a piece.
Whoa, look at this. Looks like they're going to be adding color to that one.
Elves first.
Oh, it smells good.
You can smell it right from here.
Yeah, we're outside.
I mean, we're literally through the window and we could smell it. Very tasty.
Oh, they're doing food coloring.
Yeah, they're putting colors in.
What's food coloring?
Colors food. What colors do you think they'll use for the candy?
Like paint the
It's like painting Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Red, white,
Julie's gonna pull the rest. Ready? Look at the hook.
What's he doing?
There you go. There's some more color going in there.
And they're
Wow.
doing the hook.
I know.
She's got the red
It's gotta be
and they got the green.
melty, but not too melty.
Can you see him over there with the hook? He's got a.
Oh, it's on the hook. I didn't even know. Thank you. So he's got it on the hook there, making it, stretching it, right? Wow. This is like a real art.
There it goes. See how it's getting
It's
a
getting
little
silvery,
shiny?
yeah.
Shinier.
That's it.
Wow, look at that. It's getting its texture
You
now.
gotta get lots of air in there.
Wow, that's red.
Wow.
Whoa.
What is happening?
Wow.
What's red?
They stretch out the little stripes, and he does the big middle part.
What's red?
One's red. What other colors are over there? Well, there you go.
Green.
Getting easier. Look at him pulling it. That part's kind of fun.
It's getting more pliable on that hook.
Oh, there we go.
Look
Now
how-
it's starting to get pretty.
It's really
Look at that,
shiny.
dark green now.
It looks like Rapunzel's hair.
It does. I was just thinking. Oh my gosh.
That's right, Edie. It sure does.
You're right, Rapunzel's hair.
Tell old.
How about over here?
And it's not getting tangled either.
What's your name again? What's your name?
Look at that. You could really smell it. Very aromatic.
Yeah.
But when she stretches it down, it looks like.
So we got blue going on as well as red and green. So this is going to be really fancy. And yeah,
Why?
Making sure. Yeah.
eagerly awaiting the free samples.
Look how much lighter it is, Duffy.
All right, he's back with that now.
The baby's back with
Yay! Have fun.
Oh,
That's our stuff.
a red one, a green one, and a blue one.
I know. Oh, they're gonna put the stripes on there.
Yay!
Here comes the scissor.
Oh wow.
Rapunzel's hair is going to get a haircut.
Uh-oh. It'll be brown. No.
I don't think it
Well, remember when Mother
Oh,
got...
because sorry. Yes. You're right. That is right.
They're like making it into a worm now. Supposed to be a worm. Worm and it's made inside. Huh?
No.
There we go. We got red going in there now. So this is going to be, I believe, 40 pounds of candy cane.
I see
Green. Nope, it's not ready for green yet. Oh, green's in.
black is it.
Green's going in.
Candy cane's almost ready. All the colors are red.
Checking where do you want the
Almost.
stripe to go?
They haven't done blue yet.
Oh,
they have blue? Yeah. Cool.
Oh man.
All blue's gonna come in.
Think so? Oh, I don't know. She's got another green.
Looks like a snake.
Yeah. Or a worm. A big bat. Come inside. Let's go inside.
That's some meeting of the minds there. Look at that. Got the green in there now. Look at that.
Ooh, they're putting in blue.
They put in some blue. Always gonna stretch it. You can stand up.
Get some more color going in there.
Twisting. Looks like from here it looks like maybe twisting.
Wow. Starting to look like something now. Look at that. Hey, we got a front row seat here now.
What's he doing?
He's making a towel.
Oh, okay.
I think he's making a candy cane.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like, but kind of looks like
The tower.
a towel.
Is he twisting it?
Yeah.
So it's spiral?
I think the top needs to come off though.
Well, that little bit might come off.
What? It's still on there. I think they don't need that.
They don't need that.
They're like surgeons.
It looks cool.
Oh my goodness. Oh, cool.
Wow.
Seriously. Oh my goodness.
It's starting to take shape.
Wow.
Only the top part.
Yeah, so far, well, that means he can make some blue striped candy canes, and then he can make some green and red striped candy canes.
All right, they're all getting the gloves on now. So there you go. It's going to be stretched.
What's she doing?
She's going to
Make it into a candy cane.
Yep. Oh wow, that one's all blue.
Getting it just the right size.
Wow. Man.
Oh, you think she's the shaper? Who's that lady?
It's like only a couple.
Strong peppermint. Lost art.
And there's the first candy cane over there. Look at that. The firstborn.
Lots of stripes on that one.
That's a big,
that's a
much
skinny
bigger than I
one.
thought it was going to be.
Whoa.
Comes the green.
They're making the jumbo size ones. It's amazing. As they're going, you're seeing more and more colors. These were just a solid blue and white. And now you got green intermixed with the blue. And soon it'll be, you got a little strip of red in there. Be like the barber pole soon.
Yeah.
So now from here, they take them and they put them on that pan and they dry.
What is he doing?
And then you got your candy canes.
What is he doing with those tiny pieces? I don't know.
Those might be samples.
Little one.
Maybe ones they put in the bag. I don't know.
I think they're squishy.
Wow, so we're going to continue on here, and we're going to see the rest of the village. Hope you guys enjoyed the making of the candy canes. We're going to continue. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you on the video soon. Thanks for visiting from Cincinnati. All right. So, nice meeting you, too. Hope you enjoy the rest of your trip.
You too.
All right. Thanks. Good night. Bye. Look how pretty this is. That was really nice. I mean, I always say to folks, you know, it's always great. I mean, just start a YouTube channel, even if you don't really want to promote them, just the fact of it being a time capsule, just to like remember all these amazing things. I mean, you just come across something. I mean, we didn't even know they were going to be doing that. And you never know what you're going to walk into. So I want to thank you for joining me for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I want to wish everyone Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I know it was a little longer than the traditional Al video, but I just wanted to get that process of making the candy canes. I thought it was very seasonal, very appropriate. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.